So here we go. Here's the first wash in 12 years for the car here. I've been degreasing the engine bay here pretty steady for the last day or so. Really just trying to make sure that nothing dries on it. So I've kind of got a concoction mixed up in this bottle here where I can spray it on, and it's almost a light gel. Just a mix of just other degreasers. And so it doesn't really dry out too easy on it, but I've had the hood closed too on it. And just pumping this stuff on. Giving her one more soak here before we hit it with the power washer. Of course, I taped off my main transmission check lines and my oil pressure check, oil filler. So my electric power washer unfortunately isn't working right now. So a little overkill, but I got the gas one set up. My plan here is give this a quick shot, just clean over here, and then get the rest of the car washed down. So I stand corrected. I've actually got a helper here now, so we're going to be keeping it pretty interesting here. This is Val. So like I said, we're going to try and keep it interesting. Quick one on the valve covers here of what's been going on though, right? So it's a quick power wash and stuff. Like I said, my electric power washer isn't working too well, so I mean, who really cares at this point? Let's get the car washed, right? Okay. Okay. Right on.